Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make viral baked feta pasta. It has over 10 million viewers on Instagram and TikTok. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to a baking dish. Now I'm gonna add 50 grams of cherry tomatoes. Then we're gonna add 200 grams of feta cheese. Next, little bit of olive oil on the top of feta cheese. Italian seasoning, or you can put oregano. Next, we're going to add 3 garlic cloves. A little bit of salt. Half teaspoon of black pepper. And now we're going to bake this in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. The key for this baked feta cheese is to make sure that everything is super fresh. Don't use canned tomatoes and try to use extra virgin olive oil. Meanwhile, we're going to boil the pasta. I'm using penne pasta. So this is the fun part, we're just gonna smoosh it and it's time to mix all together. You can see the feta is nice and melty. And the tomatoes are sweet and juicy. Look at this, so creamy and beautiful sauce. Time for the pasta. This is penne pasta, but you can use any kind. Next, we're gonna add fresh basil and give a mix. And I like to add extra vegetables, so I'm adding some rucola. So that's all, easy peasy baked feta pasta. It's delicious and super easy to make. Now let's try. Ooh, so creamy. Yummy. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope that you like it, and if you like it, please give a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. God bless.